This is Arlene for My Kid Trazom, sound and visual recordings, and because there's a lot of birds here. The audio is on My Kid Mozart for bird chirping, but this is the video. There are at least a dozen here now. I guess they got to take turns on the bird feed. It's not as large for it to carry all, I think it's 20 of them, or 10 or 20 of them. But it's good to see that they're actually eating something pretty good. And they're loud, which is not something you hear in the city at all. There we go, lots and lots and lots of birds. Trying to drown out the rest of the noise in the background. Don't listen to that. Alright, this is Arlene again for My Kid Mozart, audio and visual recordings. Sound and visual recordings. Sound and visual.